So the day has come, my first trip on my restoration, Mardi 03 bugs. Yeah, I just thought I would do a quick video just for anyone who's thinking about restoring a motorbike. Oh, I cannot recommend it enough. I was thinking last night actually about the amount of positivity that has come from restoring this bike. I mean, just the fact that I'm going to France today is one thing. And the less you know about mechanics, the better it is. The more you'll learn, the more people you'll meet, the better experience you'll have. Um, I have I have learnt so much from restoring this bike, and it's not just that; it's the people that I've met, the people online, people on YouTube, good friends that I've made. Steve Homer, who I'm going away to France with today, he's taking his RDO3 marathon. There's also another RDO3 going owned by Mark, or Kark, as he's known, because they went into Starbucks and they asked they asked him for his name to write on the cup, and he said it's Mark spelt with a C, so they wrote Kark, and it's just kind of stuck. But yeah, you know, I've made like quite a few new friends from it. Become really good friends with Ian, my neighbour, and also Steve Homer has got me a new job that I really enjoy. So it's just unbelievable the amount of positivity that comes from it. So yeah, if you are considering it, please do it. I did want to say a lot more, to be honest. But yeah, just do it. Honestly, the amount of good things that come. Nothing good will ever come from not doing it. The worst that will happen is you won't finish the bike. So what? You can sell it as parts or sell it as a project for someone else. It's not a biggie. But if you do it, and you do, and even then, even if you don't finish it, I guarantee you will still learn a hell of a lot along the way. So there's nothing really bad that can come from it. I mean, I'm not saying if you restore a bike, you're going to get a new job and make new friends, but you're not going to by not doing it. You know, there's there's just such a great chance of just good things coming from it. So yeah, I hope you all have a good weekend. Hope you all have a good day at work today, whilst I'm off to France, with my mates. And yeah, I will see you all soon. You take care.